New tonight, the number of people in Arkansas testing positive for COVID-19 has now surpassed 260,000. Another 2,400 patients have tested positive in the last 24 hours. Active cases still above 25,000. 8 more patients are hospitalized, brings that total to 1,362. State also reported another dramatic increase in deaths with 65. That's tied for the second most in a single day. Another 3,000 people recovered after testing positive. In Oklahoma, another 3,907 people have tested positive. That brings the total across Oklahoma to now to 341,000, more than 341,000. Active cases dropping by more than 800 today. 44 patients also died from COVID-19, and recoveries total now approaching 300,000.